AlphaRex specializes in designing and producing superior and uniquely stylish aftermarket automotive performance lighting with unrivaled innovative technology. Watch this video as we take you through the installation of your new AlphaRex headlights for your 2019 and up Ram 1500, step by step. Prepare these tools for your installation. Whenever working on your vehicle, always start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Remove the two 8mm screws located in the wheel well that hold the front lower trim panel to the vehicle. Then remove the three 8mm screws which hold the fender liner to the front fender and gently pull it away from the fender. Remove the 10mm bolt located behind the lower trim panel. Push down on the bracket behind the trim piece and carefully remove it from the vehicle and set it aside for later. Repeat for the other side. Remove the 12 plastic clips on the top plastic cover. Start from one side and work your way across. Then remove the cover from the vehicle and set it aside for later. Remove the 8 10mm bolts and two plastic clips located at the top of the grille. Pulling gently toward you, remove the top part of the grille and set it aside for later. Remove the three 10mm bolts at the bottom of each side of the grille. Then remove the four 10mm bolts attaching the top of the grille to the vehicle. Lift the two plastic connector arms over the bosses to release the grille. Remove the grille from the vehicle and set it aside for later. At the top of the headlight, remove the 10mm bolt and plastic clip. Remove the 10mm bolt located on the side of the headlight. Now, pull the headlight away from the vehicle and remove the connector at the bottom of the light and the one at the back corner. You can now remove the headlight from the vehicle. Remove the lower bracket from the factory headlight and install onto your new AlphaRex headlight as shown. To attach the daytime running light harness, go to your fuse box and locate fuse F38 and add it to the fuse tab. The power and ground for the DRL harness need to be connected to the battery respectively. Run the daytime running harness to the location of both headlights. Attach the connectors to the AlphaRex headlight and complete the installation by securing the headlight to the vehicle. Repeat the previous steps for the opposite side headlight for removal and installation. Follow the previous instructions to reinstall your factory trim and grille. Test the functions of your AlphaRex headlights to ensure everything works properly. Once everything has been tested, aim your AlphaRex headlights by parking 25 feet from a wall and level the headlight beams evenly. Turn clockwise to lower the light, counterclockwise to raise the light. Now you are ready to use and enjoy your AlphaRex headlights and enjoy the stylish new look and improved night driving of your 2019 and up Ram 1500. Visit AlphaRexUSA.com to see all of our performance lighting products for your vehicle.